So GPS shows us that we're gonna get there around 12. We're meeting them at a Sam's Club parking lot, so I'm just headed that way. We'll be able to lay the seats down flat, and then we can shove the scooters in here. And we're picking up 4 of them. Okay, so I just got to the parking lot at Sam's Club where they told me to meet. And we're gonna go ahead and just put this rack down. We'll be able to load whatever scooters on this rack, and then the rest inside the trunk. There. So we have a hatchback, so it should fit a pretty good amount as well. Might even fit all of them inside, but we'll see. Let's see how big these scooters are. This rack comes in handy. I transport a lot of bicycles and stuff with this. There we go. Alright, just put the pin back in. Alright, we should be good. I'm gonna lift these bars up. Just arrived. Alright, let's make this deal happen. The seller brushed off. They had to go back to work, but they were able to drop off 4 scooters, so we're just tying them all up. Alright, we're all loaded up. We have 4 scooters. Let's get going. This truck's dropping a whole bunch of gravel and rocks on us. I should probably slow down.